What's up, beautiful people? Erin here, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along a day with me. I am an entrepreneur, a new wife, a new homeowner, so a lot of my days are spent juggling the three of those roles. I am about to order all of my things that I need to get for the house, for my office, for groceries from the Target app. And I'm gonna use Target Circle, which is their loyalty program. Y'all, I be shopping at Target so much. So I love this app. I know it in and out, and I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite things about the app right now. First thing I want you to know is the difference between Target app and Target Circle. So Target Circle is Target's loyalty program, which lives inside of the Target app and Target.com. And what I love so much is that once you join Target Circle, you get access to so many deals, like hundreds of weekly deals, and they even personalize a lot of the deals for you. So I'm gonna jump inside of my Target app and show you guys while I'm shopping, share with you all the top secrets and the cool things in the app to help you save some money and some time. So the first thing I like to do is click on Target Circle offers, and this is where you'll see 3 tabs: for you, all, and saved. So I'm gonna look in the for you tab because these are all the offers that Target Circle has curated specifically for you based on past purchases, things they think you'll like. So these are personalized offers, you guys. Like, that is so cool. And to add them, all you do is push that plus sign at the end, and those offers will save. So just go through this list and see all of the things. I like to check my shopping list before I do this to make sure and see if anything I need is on there first. So here are all the saved offers. The next thing I always check is the weekly ad and catalogs. And y'all, it looks just like a paper catalog. It's so easy to swipe through and just check to see if anything you need is in there. Next, I'm gonna click shop by category, and this is one of my favorite ways to quick shop because they have things categorized by holidays or by category. So I'm clicking Father's Day, and they even have it down to the budget, things that they will sort for you based on your price range, different offers in here. So this really helps to save time. I'm back in Discover, and now I'm gonna scroll all the way down to top deals, and it's gonna show you all the different top deals in the category. You can even shop clearance, you guys. So I'm gonna click clothing and accessory deals, and you can see all of the biggest deals in each department right here. So I did my entire order using Drive Up, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna need Pickup selected when you add to cart, and then select Drive Up and add to cart again. And it'll save as a Drive Up order. I got everything that was on my list in the app, and I'll show you guys what I got when I get back home. So the app will notify you once your order is ready, and you will let them know that you're on your way. Once you get there, you're gonna click I'm here and enter the space number that you parked in. Then you're gonna show them this code once they walk up to your car so they can put it into their system and give you your order. So I'm back home. I feel like I can't go to Target without getting the trifecta of toilet paper, laundry detergent, and paper towel. But I got a whole bunch of home essentials, and I love that Target Circle still helps you save even after you're done shopping. First things first is you can earn 1% in Target Circle earnings every single time you make an eligible purchase with a non-red card payment. Or red card holders can save 5% on eligible purchases. And this can be used at Target, in the store, or online. Just scan your wallet barcode at checkout to redeem your saved offers and earn your 1% in Target Circle earnings if it's a non-red card purchase. If you forgot your phone or if you forgot to scan your wallet barcode, you can still get your 1% in Target Circle earnings by scanning your receipt if it's a non-red card purchase. If you want to make a reorder, you can click your name in the bottom corner and click purchases. And you can select what you want to reorder, and it's super easy. It'll just add the entire order to your cart. Also in purchases, if you need to make an exchange or do a return, you can click on the order and return an item right at the top, and you will find your digital receipt. Another key feature inside of Target Circle is Target's voting feature, where I can help Target support nonprofits within my community. So at the top, you can see how many votes you have. I have 21 votes. So I'm just looking through there and voting for a couple of the nonprofits that I think I connect the most to. So it's super easy to vote, and it even explains how it works at the top. If you want to learn a little bit more on how it works, it walks you through step by step of how they actually support these organizations. So how much have I saved and how much have I earned? If you click your name in the bottom corner, this page is going to pop up, and we're going to click the middle section, and you'll see your available earnings, how many votes you have for nonprofits, and your lifetime savings. So I'm going to click apply next to available earnings, and you're going to see how to redeem it. So you want to check this box and click save. And when you go into the store, if you scan your wallet, it'll be applied to your purchase, or if you use Target Circle or Target.com, it'll be applied online at checkout. And please believe that a little bit off here and a little bit off of an item there really starts to add up. And the savings that I had on today's purchase contributed to my lifetime savings of $35.55, which, over time, it just adds up to more and more money. And if you need a little bit more clarity on how to earn, they have a How It Works tab in this section on your profile, and some extra benefits like birthday offers and just community support and other things that you may not know about. So if you couldn't tell by now, I am obsessed with Target. I'm obsessed with Target Circle, and I love that it just helps me save time and money and ultimately be able to put that time back into my family, my home, and my business. Let me know which tip was most helpful for you. All right, you guys, gotta get back to work, so bye for now.